Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog altitude. Well, I'm here, 45 miles away, and it's going to be the Rochester Air Center is the one that's giving me the test. I get that hanger. It's in there. So they want you here 10 minutes, 15 minutes early. And then they're gonna scan your head, see if you've got, your temperature is too high. And then gonna verify who you are and set you up on your computer. And then you will take your test. So, thanks for watching. And we'll find out in the next 2 hours here whether I pass the exam. I don't see an issue with it. And that'll be great, because that'll be I can recommend
Jason at remotepilot101.com
for helping me pass my Recert test. All right, I did it. And just the course that he gave me, that I went through, you really need to go from the basics all the way up to your recur exam, because there was stuff in the past that was there, and I was foggy on it. Okay, like I said, taking the test, it will jump back into your original basic, and there'll be stuff that, well, wasn't explained with the Part 101 exam or course. So be aware of that. I skimmed through with the skin of my teeth, because I got a 70%, and that's what you needed. So I think of course my weak spot was the charts. Trying to find things on the chart. Finding things on the chart. I didn't have any confusion with your different, yeah, B, C, D, and E's. I think what kind of confused me was trying to find the floor, having two different levels. I did feel comfortable. I got it done in like an hour and a half, and I still had 30 minutes to go back through. So and there was a little bit of time there I was spending being lost in the chart. Also, when you're going through, you're gonna have your supplemental manual. So when you're going through it, make sure that you know what chart you're on when it goes across, when it says, figure 78. Figure 78. It's not the page 78. It's going to be the actual. It'll say right underneath it, chart or figure 78. So, all right. So. Thanks again to Rochester Air Center for providing the service to take the test. And when I came in, I did not have my license I left my license on my computer. I didn't grab it before I left. My mind was making sure that I get out the door and getting up here to take the exam, because PSI says that if you miss your time or whatever, you lose your money. So you have up to 30 minutes to get here past your time. So getting in there, they really want you up to 15 minutes early, so I did, and I got in there, and then driver's license, and he wanted the driver's license and my pilot license. I said, oh man, I left my pilot license on my desk. So thanks to my wife, she was still home. She was able to take a picture of it, and I was able to give it to him that way. But make sure you bring that with you, and then get here half hour to 15 minutes at the latest. Get here 15 minutes early. And so all I can say is just, study what you can study, and go through those sectional charts. I think that's probably your heaviest, most important part of taking the exam. So I'll finish up on this when I get home. I'll go through a couple of questions that you don't know what you missed. So all you can do is go by the questions that you feel were very questionable to you. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You'll catch me on the next Altitude.